One of the fastest ways to lose money with Amazon ads is not ignoring new strategies. It is copying them without understanding why they work. Many sellers watch videos, they hear about a new strategy, they apply it to their account and expect more revenue, better ACoS, and higher profit. But a tactic that works for one account can waste money in other. So before we talk about specific tactics, let me clarify the real purpose of this video. So this is not about giving you another PPC strategy to copy. It's about showing you how to decide whether a strategy actually belongs in your account. We are going to look at 4 things. So number 1 is how to identify budget leaks and how to judge campaigns based on their actual purpose, how to understand click and conversions, and how to separate a PPC problem from a listing or offer problem. So when I started working more deeply with Amazon ads 6 years ago, I made the same mistake. I thought every few tip was a missing piece. I kept looking for the real and next strategy that would bring more sales, lower ACoS, and higher profit. Eventually, I learned that even a good tactic can waste money when it is applied without context. Before applying any new strategy, ask yourself 5 questions. What problem is this solving? Does my account actually have that problem? And what data does this strategy need? What should improve if it works? And how will I know when it is failing? Because knowing a tactic does not mean knowing when to use it. The second mistake is creating new campaigns before understanding where the current budget is going. So start by treating your total ad spend as 100%. For example, imagine this. Campaign A uses 70% of your budget, campaign B uses 20%, and campaign C uses 10%. Now compare that budget distribution with sales, orders, profit, and ACoS. So if campaign A is consuming most of the budget but producing weak results, that is the first place to investigate. One account we recently reviewed had one ad type consuming 23% of the total budget while producing an ACoS between 500 and 600%. A high ACoS is not automatically bad. Same campaigns may have a strategic purpose such as launching a product, defending branded keywords, or supporting a specific growth objective. But if the campaign is consuming a large part of the budget without producing enough value, you have the question whether that spend is justified. So in this account, the spend was not helping the recovery. It was consuming budget that could have been moved toward campaigns already producing healthy sales. So the situation was not simply increasing the total PPC budget. It was reducing the waste and allocate the existing budget more intelligently. So sometimes the fastest account improvement does not come from add more money. It comes from stopping the money from going to the wrong place. The third mistake is judging every campaign using the same conversion benchmark. 10 clicks and 1 order gives you 10% click to order rate. So that is a simple math. But it does not mean every Amazon ads campaign should generate one site after exactly 10 clicks. An exact match campaign usually gives you more control search intent because the shopper is searching for specific keyword. Discovery campaigns behave differently. So these can include auto campaign, broad match, and phrase match. So they may affect shoppers from a wider range of search terms, so they can require more clicks before generating a sale. So one shopper may search for purified water, another may search for a brand name, someone else may search for reverse osmosis water. So the traffic is less controlled and the intent may not be equally focused. So that is why the real question is not only how many clicks a campaign received. You also need to ask where the search term relevant. So did the shopper show buying intent? Was the traffic appropriate for the campaign type, and is the campaign profitable for the specific role? So do not judge every campaign by the same conversion target. The fourth mistake is assuming that traffic without sales always mean your PPC is broken. There are two possible causes. Number one is an advertising problem or a listing and account problem. Before changing bids, check basics. Is the buy box active? Is the product in stock? Is the listing available? And is the price competitive? So, is there a problem with the offer, coupon, variation, or product detail page? Then review the advertising. And are the keyword relevant? Does the targeting clearly describe the product? Is the campaign too broad? Are you paying for clicks from the wrong audience? So imagine you sell lip balm, but your ad is appearing for eye drops. So you may still receive clicks, but those shoppers are not looking for your product. So the traffic is real, the intent is wrong, and in that situation, changing bids will not solve the real problem. You need to fix the targeting. So on the other hand, if the traffic is highly relevant but shoppers are not buying, the issue may be the listing, price, reviews, offers, or product itself. So good Amazon PPC management is not about collecting as many as that is possible. So it is about diagnosing the account correctly. So before applying to a new strategy or changing a bid, ask yourself what problem I am solving. Does my account actually have that problem? Where is my budget going? Are the clicks relevant? What should I improve if this works? And what is my stopping rule if it fails? So because sometimes the answer is not a new campaign, sometimes it is better budget allocation. So sometimes it is a listing or offer problem, and sometimes the best optimization is simply stopping spend on the wrong traffic. So the main takeaway is simple: do not collect tactics. Build a process for diagnosing your account before you apply them. So what Amazon ads tactic did you try before understanding its real purpose? Tell me in the comment section.